In today's video, I will show you how to loop and merge in Qualtrics. First, open your browser, go to the official site of Qualtrics, and make sure you are logged in. Once you are on the home page, open the project you want. Using the loop and merge feature is incredibly powerful for advanced survey design because it lets you dynamically repeat a set of questions for multiple items like a list of products or brands, saving you from having to copy and paste the same questions over and over again. Once inside your survey builder, select the specific block of questions you want to repeat. Then click on Loop and Merge on the left side panel. From the settings that appear, click on Turn on Loop and Merge to activate the feature. Next, check the box right beside the option to loop based off of a question. Then, click on Select Question and select the exact question from your survey that contains the choices you want to loop through. Finally, click Select Choice, enter the maximum number of loops you want the system to allow, and click Save at the bottom to lock in your settings. And that's it. That's how you loop and merge in Qualtrics.